How to make a complete backup and restore. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application on your device, what you simply need to do is scroll down and tap on the option of Google over here. As you tap on Google, it will take you to your Google services. So just tap on all services option available over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account and make sure that you associate the account that you want to have a complete backup of. So just scroll down and here under the backup and restore option, you can see the option of backup. So just tap on backup and make sure that you have backed up all your photos, files, videos and many more. After that, when you have backed up everything, what you can simply do is you can log out or just reset the device, and as you reset in the another phone, you can just back up and log into your email or the Gmail that you've associated, and you'll be able to restore all your data from that Gmail or the Google Drive. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.